everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is whole chicken soup, TINIBUOK na manok. My mother used to cook this a lot back home in the Philippines, and I love it, and I hope you love it too. Here are the ingredients of my TINIBUOK manok whole chicken soup. Chicken, ginger, chayote, lemongrass, water, spinach, onion, salt, and chicken bouillon. Now let's prepare the chicken. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hi guys, if you fancy a giggle and you want to see me jumping into a freezing cold swimming pool, click here. And if you want to see a preview of my cooking, click here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.